Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia.
Rata is being very unfair and he's now using his power again now to the fullest on Qiniselani Buthelezi. Qiniselani Buthelezi is just like, bruh, please. I wasn't going to answer everything that was on the statement because I didn't write it. Why must I answer everything that's on the statement when I didn't write it? And I did say why I've made a ruling already. I can tell you now. It's like you are a convict and we're giving off as so like it's on the tip. Urata. Oh my gosh, like this thing now sparks so many questions about ubani lo mfida lezinto, you know, and you can tell ukuthi imsebenzi yestate, imsebenzi kaBrigadier Gininda, you was like lalela wasibhalisa statement and you're gonna stay on that one, don't move. Manje is just messed up the whole situation because the value singazange chances asibabone because they're now coming back on Friday. I'm like, Urata is so unfair, Andy. It defense couldn't even talk. They just like, oh my God, it sends a shame. Please, my lord. What? Please, Nina. When I'm please, I'm sure tried it. I'm sure tried. When I tried, they were just like, we're not listening to you right now. This is not about you. This is about they are not wanting to be a proper witness and answer the questions that the state is asking him. Dr. Sibanda is actually asking from this guy. Because I can't. What must happen? Because I didn't write that statement. You can't force me. No man just say, oh no, if you get Friday, if you feel good, you are compelled to get. Oh my gosh, I'm just like, Urata, guys must just stop with this shenanigans. Like, honestly. Abola Park is just using his power. It's just like Lalilan. Nizuzwangami. 80 years or not, or 78 or 79. Because really, guys, we don't know Rasa's age anymore. Rasu said 78 about 3 weeks ago. It was 79 last year. We were hoping Gucci is turning 80. We don't know anymore. That's Rasa for you. Urata. Guys, this guy is in another level for me. Rasa is just using his power to suppress defense, guys. Let's just get that right. He's been using it for the past 3 years. He is busy telling the witnesses, well, now in the 3 years. It's okay if you're going to Matateni in the case, even Nali case lane, 3 years. He lacks the upper hand, this guy, and power. Oh my gosh. Because he was even telling now the defense sort of, you know, Oguti, little judge in Kambi is actually smaller than me. Is there anything like that, guys? Let's see. I'm like, this guy. Oh my gosh, I want to Urata. I must say. Defense was so bored. They were just like, you know? You know, Rata took almost an hour reading, telling us the whole story of Oguti, you know what, you can't come here if you are actually under oath, and then you come out with stories of which when I know actually there's some things that you're not gonna answer. I'm just like, that was not even about answering, guys. This was more like, this was fed to me. I was forced to sign stuff like they always do in any case of Guinea. I'm not. This is not the stuff that I wrote, and I'm not gonna say anything when it comes to this statement. And he tried twice during the court sessions this morning. I'm not gonna be explaining myself. What's that say? In any case, I've made a ruling. All right, they use their power, guys. As in, about the case, because me, it's not gonna end well. That's what I say this at least once a week. It's not gonna end well, guys. Why are people like this? You know, people are using power in another level now these days. But it was as you can see, people are getting arrested. I tell you. And my thing is that on Friday, what's going to change? Because at the end of the day, that statement, it's not my statement. I'm not going to answer anything. I don't know anything about it. And he tried to explain. Defense wasn't given a chance. They didn't even hear him. What do you want to say? They were just like, hey, when I miss. Okay. And he was angry at first when he was reading this thing, Urat. I'm just like, why, bruh? Are you angry at people? Calm down. And you can see when someone fed him this thing, they were just like, Lalela, this is what you're going to say today. The shock on the defense. Defense is just like, and then.
On Friday, I had the impression that you said you do not want to continue with giving evidence. Am I correct? When you are asked questions by the state.
Well, ngolesihlanu ngizwe mina uthi noma bangathi uthi-ke awusayimisele ukuthi uqhubeke wethule ubufakazi ngesikhathi umshushisi ekubuza imibuzo.
Cabanga sasikhuluma statement lesi sasibhaliwe wathiwa sasibhalwe yini wangichaza ukuthi mina sasifakile isigcinile.
I was referring to the statement, my lord, which was written. I was just indicating up to where I went with my statement, my lord.
Yeah, fine. I hear you and I understand you. But the point is, the prosecutor is using that statement, whatever it is. He was using it to ask you questions. I understand you. You say you don't want to participate further because that statement apparently is written by Gininda.
Ngiyakuzwa lokho kushoyo kodwa umshushisi-ke manje usebenzisa sona istatement leso wabe usuthi-ke wena-ke awusayimiseleke ukuqhubeka ngaso istatement lesiyana washo ukuthi wena ugcina la kuphela la wena-ke okwaziyo ngoba istatement leso sabhalwa uGininda.
Yeah.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, right. So for that reason, you're saying you're not longer going to answer the questions, but the state.
Ngaleso sizathu leso-ke uthi-ke manje awusazoqhubeka-ke uphendule imibuzo ebuzwa uyena umshushisi.
Yeah, masaqhuba nestatement la esiqhubeka khona. Mota angibuza la esigcina khona esami sokuthi mina nomfowethu sasiboshiwe.
Yes, my lord, if it is that the state continues with that statement, because I indicated that the last part where it involves me, it's where it indicates that myself and my brother were in prison or were arrested.
Am I correct? So I've heard you to say you have signed each and every page of that statement. I haven't had sight of it.
Istatement lesi mina angasibonike kodwa ingabe ngibuzwe kahle yini ukuthi-ke ipage nepage lesa statement wayisayina.
Yebo ngasayina kuGininda waseqedile wathi angisayine.
Yes, my lord, I signed because after Gininda was finished, he asked me to sign, or he told me to sign.
Okay. Am I also correct that at the beginning of your cross-examination, right, Mr. Sibanda of the state, you answered questions?
Ingabe khona iqiniso yini ukuthi-ke ekuqaleni la ebeqala khona-ke ukuthi-ke ngemibuzo umshushisi umphendulile leyo mibuzo ebekubuza yona ekuqaleni?
Yebo ngoba la kwakhuluma khona mina ngagcina la ngaqhubisa kodwa ugcina la kwamkhuluma.
Yes, my lord, because that is where I indicated that's where I started, and then I also indicated where I ended, my lord.
Am I also correct that when Mr. Ramosepili was leading you in evidence in chief, of your evidence in chief, you answered Mr. Ramosepili's questions?
Uma kona yini-ke uma ngithi-ke ngesikhathi-ke ukuhlola imibuzo uyena-ke umnumzane kaMosipili ukuthi-ke imibuzo bekubuza yona umnumzane kaMosipili uyiphendulile leyo imibuzo leyo?
Yeah.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, I'll be failing my duty if I do not warn you what the duties of a witness are in this, which is a court of law.
Ngizobe-ke angiwenzi umsebenzi wami uma ngingakwexwayisike ukuthi-ke umsebenzi womuntu owufakazi enkantolo yomthetho uyini.
Okay, and this is what the law says.
Yilokhu-ke okushiwo umthetho.
Section 189(1) of the Criminal Procedure Act says the following.
Umthetho-ke ongaphansi kwakhe-ke section 189 usho lokhu okulandelayo.
If any person present at criminal proceedings is required to give evidence at such proceedings and refuses to be sworn or to make an affirmation as a witness,
Ukuba nanoma yimuphi-ke umuntu okhona-ke kwinkantolo la eqhula khona-ke icala nokuthi umuntu loyo-ke useyanqaba-ke ukuthi athathe isifungo noma-ke aqinisekise-ke ukuthi lokho azokusho kuzoba yiqiniso.
that person, if he refuses to answer any questions put to him, or refuses or fails to produce any book, paper, document required to be produced by him,
Uma ngabe umuntu loyo-ke enqaba ukuthi-ke aphendule nanoma yimuphi umbuzo-ke obuzwa yena noma-ke ukhona-ke ubufakazi obudingekayo noma obufunekayo noma yincwadi, iphepha, nanoma yini nje efunekayo.
the court may, in a summary manner, inquire into such refusal or failure and unless the person so refusing or failing has a just excuse for his refusal or failure,
inkantolo iyakwazi-ke ukuthi-ke ibese yona-ke iyaqala-ke ukuthi manje iphenyeke noma ibuzeke ifuna ukwazi isizathu noma-ke inhloso ukuthi-ke kungani-ke umuntu loyo enqaba ngaphandle kokuthi-ke kuyazwakala-ke noma kuyatholakala-ke ukuthi kukhona-ke okuzwakalayo noma kuyisizathu-ke ekuyisona esimbangela ukuthi-ke akwenze lokho.
the court may sentence that person to imprisonment for a period not exceeding 2 years.
Inkantolo iyakwazi ukuthi umuntu loyo-ke imgwebeleke ejele isikhathi-ke esingeqanga noma esingandlulanga kwiminyaka 2.
Or where the criminal proceedings in questions relate to an offense referred to in Part 2 of Schedule 2.
Can the court just repeat that part of the sentence?
Where the court may, in a summary manner, inquire into such refusal and failure, and unless the person so refusing or failing to have a just excuse for his refusal or failure, right?
We already passed that one, my lord. I think it was referring to Part 2.
Yeah, just continue with it.
I think we ended at the period, for a period not exceeding 2 years, my lord. And then it goes on where it says where the criminal proceedings in question relate to an offense referred in Part 2. I think that's where we are.
Referred to in Part 2 of Schedule 2.
Lana-ke uma iqhubeka-ke ithi-ke ngaphandleni kokuthi-ke la khona-ke isenzo leso-ke noma-ke uqulwa kwecala-ke lobo lelesi loko okukhulunywa ngakho-ke kungaphansi kwawo umthetho obhaliwe-ke ngaphansi kwaso isigaba noma-ke uPart 2 wakhe uSchedule 2. Isikhathi-ke esingandlulanga noma-ke esingeqile kwiminyaka 5 kuya ngokuthi-ke icala noma ubulelesi lobo-ke lobo kukhulunywa ngabo bungani.
What it basically means is that in such a case, which is supposed to be Schedule 2, Part 2 of Schedule 2, I think it also means where the court is dealing with a charge of murder.
Lana-ke okushiwo-ke le ndawo-ke efundiwe lana ukuthi-ke uma ngabe kukhulunywa-ke ngecala-ke lobulelesi elinokulala phakathi.
You may be sentenced to 5 years imprisonment.
Inkantolo-ke iyakwazi-ke ukuthi-ke isingagweba-ke iminyaka 5 ejele.
Unless you have a just cause why you are refusing to answer the questions.
Ngaphandle kokuthi-ke unesizathu-ke okuyisona esizwakalayo futhi-ke noma esamukelekayo sokuthi kungani ungayimisele ukuthi uphendule umbuzo noma imibuzo.
Do you understand, sir?
Ingabe uyezwa yini mnumzane?
Yebo.
Yes, my lord.
In other words, you've taken an oath to give evidence.
Ngamanye amagama-ke uthathe isifungo sokuthi uzokwethula ubufakazi kule nkantolo.
And what is peculiar about this case, it's not that at the beginning you said you don't want to answer questions.
Kodwa-ke manje-ke okukhethekile-ke noma kodwa-ke lana ukuthi akusiyona indaba yona noma udaba lokuthi-ke eqaleni uvele watsho nje kuqala nje wathi cha angiyimisele ukuphendula imibuzo.
Some witnesses do that.
Abanye ofakazi bayakwenza lokho.
But you initially gave evidence in this court after taking an oath to do so.
Kodwa wena-ke emuva kokuthi-ke uthathe isifungo uye waqhubeka-ke ngokuthi wethule ubufakazi.
Unless you provide a legal reason why you now no longer want to give evidence.
Ngaphandle kokuthi-ke manje usunganikeza-ke isizathu-ke ngokwezomthetho noma-ke ngokusemthethweni sokuthi-ke kungani-ke ungasafisiki noma ungasafuni-ke manje ukuthi-ke uqhubeke ngokwethula ubufakazi.
This court has to summarily inquire as to the reason why you are not now prepared to give evidence.
Manje ke lenkantolo ke kufanele ke manje ukuthi ke iphenyeke noma ibuzeke kuwena ke ukuthi ke kungani ungasafisi noma ungasayimisele ukuthi ke uqhubeke ngokwethula ubufakazi.